Afternoon, everyone. I think they are here, and we are ready to hear them perform, hear their stories, and their journey. Okay, magandang hapon again. Thank you for coming today. This is Pinoy Boy Band PH Media Launch. Ayan na, ano na pa launch, but they're already they're hitting already the mall shows, the record, and everything. Record chart toppers. I'd like to call in the boy band, PH!
Hello bro!
Okay, that's Ford, Neil, Russell, Tristan, and Joao.
Hello po. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat.
Sige nga, I'd like to hear from everyone, starting off with Ford. Bati ka muna.
Hello po, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala po si Boy Band Ford.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Boy Band Neil po.
Hello po, ako po si Boy Band Russell.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang hapon po. Ako po si Tristan.
Good afternoon, ako po si Boy Band Joao, and we are Boy Band PH!
Yes po. Ayun po. Magandang people po sa inyo lahat. Picture na, picture.
More of their photos mamaya. But before that, please welcome Boy Band PH!
It's always a good time when you're with me. Oh, oh, oh. And I know that you feel what I feel. Does your heart say go? Oh, no. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you po.
Yun po ang boyfriend kung mga alam ko ngayon na February, marami pong walang boyfriend kasi. Yun po, para mo sa kanila yan, pag kinantahan po namin sila, at least may kasama na silang boyfriend. Yes. Boy band PH. Ito po, somebody, para mo sa inyo lahat.
Thank you guys. I want somebody to share the rest of my life, share my innermost thoughts, know my intimate details.
Still on my side and give me support, and in return she'll get my support. She will listen to me when I wanna speak about the world we live in and life in general. Though my views may be wrong, they may even be perverted, she'll hear me out and only sleep be converted
To my way of thinking, in fact she'll often disagree, but at the end of it all, she will understand me. Thank you so much.
Yes!
Yes. That is somebody. It is one of our
Ito po ang
songs in our album.
pinaka-Andy na kanta namin na wala po pa yung mga pakinggan sa MOR, sa mix, dahil ito ang Andy ng Boy Band PH.
Yeah.
Huwag ka na malungkot, nandito na ako, nag-aabang lang ng replay na mula sa'yo.
Huwag ka na matakot, may nagmamahal pa sa'yo. Papahanap-hanap isang simpleng katulad mo. I'm 20 24/7 paglalambing sa'yo. Type 143 then send it to me. Only pag-ibig, di na uubos bawat oras sa sulit. Only pag-ibig, huwag kang mag-alala, ang offer exclusive sa'yo. Diyos ko, ang ganda mo, hindi naman sinang wala ako. Be my only pag-ibig. Di mo masisisi na ganyan ako umibig sa isang katulad mo, parang langit kong tumitig. Di mo masisisi na ganyan ako umibig sa isang katulad mo, parang di ko na kayang lumayo. Pag-ibig, ubos bawat oras sa sulit. Huwag kang mag-alala, ang offer exclusive sa'yo. Diyos ko, ang ganda mo. Sinang wala ako. Be my only pag-ibig. Only pag-ibig. Thank you so much.
Alright!
Yes!
PH, you announce it down, boys? Ayan, and I'd like to call it to join.